got a new 240.
Meet the Rhino. Dude, Jose found this thing. This thing is creepy. It gives me fucking the heebie-jeebies.
They're cool.
It's cool, but dude, I'm not big on bugs. Now, I'll pick them up and stuff.
You never seen Bugs Life?
Yeah, I've seen Bugs Life. That's that dude. All right, guys. Today, we are finally putting the transmission into the 240 or 400 SX, whatever you want to call it, and go from there. We already have the transmission underneath with the new clutch fork and the bearing and all the good stuff. So guys, just like how we did the clutch, I'm gonna have to use the smaller tripod and then I'm gonna put everything under there. Pretty much today's gonna be a super fast, easy video. I don't know about being easy. Last time I had hell with that last 240 putting the transmission in. But Jose's here, so maybe everything will be okay. So let's try to get it all done today. I already got dirt on me. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's about to mate. The spline went into the engine, so we're all good.
Careful, kid. It's about to slip off.
What is? Oh. Ah! It's not slipping in. Oh my God.
Spit on it. Call it some names.
Oh, I think it's slipping in now. Okay. That's it right there. Okay. We got one bolt setting in. And then hopefully it should just push it. Just made it all the way in. So I got that bolt right there. Our good luck was the fucking Beetle. This motherfucker was our good luck charm.
Look at that. Stick it right there. Stick it right there. You're going mold.
Woo! Oh, dude, it's fucking flat. What are you doing?
Hit the like if you see the spot. Hit the like if you see the spot.
Pete Junior over here. Oh, so there's. Oh, you got that one too. So
There's one right here. And
no, I'm
then,
seeing how many we got. 'Cause we got quite a few on there.
and then like another one over here. Yeah. We got two more over here.
Oh man. Crazy. Alright. Okay, almost I don't know when the last time I actually worked on my 240. I know in the last clip what y'all saw was us putting the transmission in, and that was pretty much it. I need to end this vlog so we can start on another vlog. But let me tell you what's going on. So the 240, you already got the transmission in, and that was pretty much the last thing we did with the 1UZ240. So now we bought a shitload of parts for the 350Z, and I'll be showing the clip of us pulling out the parts out of the BMW and all that stuff, and we'll go from there. We pulled out all those parts from the 350Z. We have everything right here, right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there. So I am not gonna do a video of installing all of these parts in this vlog. I'm going to be showing you guys everything that we got for the 350Z. I see that you guys like 350Z content a little bit more than the 240 content. I think it's just because everybody has one of these things. These are probably the easiest cars to work on and one of the most reliable cars to work on. And matter of fact, I think in the last vlog I did say we had a problem with this 350Z. Let me show you. So the issue with the 350Z about a month ago, we couldn't get it to run properly, and I figured out why. So in a couple of videos ago, or a couple of vlogs ago, we did the harness all over again. And when you do that, you want to make sure your connectors are straight, everything is plugged in correctly, your grounds are on, and all that stuff. Well, there's a ground that actually goes right there where my finger is. This ground was literally loose, like loose enough to make the whole car not drive properly. This ground probably controlled the IPDMD, which gave us our problem. So the IPDMD, or whatever you want to call it, controls a lot of the stuff inside the car. And basically, the car will run fine for the first 3 to 10 minutes. And after that shit would go, after that, it would fucking drive like shit. We would lose coolant temp, we would lose battery temp. We'll lose battery voltage, oil pressure would we lose. We lose almost every gauge in there, and the car would start driving like shit. So after I figured out that the ground was wasn't fully bolted down, I went to the ECU under there, and I noticed that the connector didn't feel fully seated. So basically what I'm saying is double check your work, because you can run into a lot of problems and stuff like that. But now the Z drives perfectly fine, right? Yes. All right. She's been taking it to work back and forth with no issues. To end today's vlog with the rest of whatever we did with the 240, I think I said the transmission, we'll be opening all of this goodies that we ordered probably about 2 weeks ago, or a week ago. So we'll get to that. So we went with ISR. We got the whole system pretty much. This is a really good brand, like for kids who are getting into like cars. It's at an affordable price. These are all the parts. Well, actually, we just unboxed the exhaust system. Let me show you what we got for the coolant system, which is a big, thick CFS radiator. Y'all can see there. ISR mid pipe or Y pipe. The catback. ISR, we got radiator hoses, ISR, OEM, thermostat housing with a thermostat, brand new, some O2 sensors, our distilled water. I actually need to check something on the car. The thermostat housing on here. Okay. All right, now y'all guys see everything we pretty much got. Oh, we got brakes over there. We have brakes and the AC stuff. in the next vlog will be I'll probably do it in 2 parts. Like we'll do the cooling system on another vlog, and then we'll do the exhaust in another vlog. And we'll be doing a stock. It's weird because this has a Nismo muffler. See? So, I don't know. Half stock, half Nismo. Comparison to the ISR. We'll see what sounds better. We'll compare the sounds. And yeah, if it sounds like shit, then we got a shitty ass exhaust. So, I know this vlog wasn't that excited except for putting the transmission in. And I don't know, it was alright. We got new parts. 240 has its transmission in. And we're just waiting on more stuff for the 240. We're just broke out here. It's expensive. So, in the next vlog, I'll be putting on the exhaust and we'll be doing the comparison. And look out for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out too.